Remember the smell of fresh notebook paper and 90s fashion? Today, for Doll of the Week, we are looking at a pristine, still in the box 1994 Back to School Barbie. And here she is. So I thought it would be perfect to do a back to school Barbie since everybody's going back to school right now. Have your kids started school yet? Ours started 2 weeks ago. That's ridiculous. I remember starting the day after Labor Day. And no, it wasn't that we got out any earlier. I don't know what's going on. I think they get more days off during the school year, not necessarily the front and back. Anyway, let's get back to this gal. So we got lots of glare here, so I'll try to tilt her down. That looks terrible. So you can see her better. But she is a special edition. I believe she came out about the same time Teacher Barbie came out in the 90s. Do you remember Teacher Barbie? Well, my sister and I, we were trying to find Teacher Barbie for my daughter it was either for her birthday or for Christmas. I never can remember which one because her birthday's the day after Christmas. So it was for one of those. But we were really having a hard time. Everybody was sold out of Teacher Barbie. And then I came across this gal, Back to School Barbie. She's a student. And I thought, well, she'll be a good option for my daughter instead of the Teacher Barbie if we can't find her. Well, fortunately, we did find Teacher Barbie. And Tammy found one and I found one. So she wound up with two of them. One of them she opened up and played with a lot. And I believe I actually did a video about some old Barbies. And she was in that group of Barbies that we still have. And I also have the Teacher Barbie unboxed. And maybe I'll do that next time, or I'll be doing her coming up. Don't know when. But anyway, let's get back to this gal. So she has a little it looks like a denim skirt, but I don't think it is. It might be. I don't know. It kind of looks like it's made out of some stretch fabric. So maybe it's like stretch denim. And then she has a little t-shirt with an apple on it. Red. So it'd be kind of interesting to know if maybe she's got some staining on her. She may. I don't know. We have a little red belt. She's got long straight hair. And it looks like it's in a ponytail. And I can't tell if that's like a little rubber band thing. It looks like a scrunchie, like a little scrunchie. And then she's got a little red brush. And it looks like she's got some little ankle boots. I don't know if you can see that down there. Fortunately, they did not put them on her, so she won't have any staining down there. But I don't know if I'll open her or not. I'll have to do a little bit of research. I have several Barbies, special edition Barbies, that I bought for my daughter. And there was a shelf that went all the way around her room that my husband built. And we had all these Barbies up there. We've moved from that house since. We've moved several times, actually. But the house we're currently in has a shelf like that all the way around. So we've got places for the Barbies. And I know some of them I'm probably going to give back to my daughter. She has two daughters. And I may give a couple back. They're very, very special ones. Again, I'll do a video on those some other time and tell you about that. But this one, I don't know. She may get opened. If y'all know anything about her, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you have her, let me know that too. Look at her face up. Isn't that pretty? She's got some nice red lipstick. Sure wish I could wear red lipstick. It's just a little too harsh for me. But she looks pretty. And she looks like she's got blue eyeshadow. Let's see. And maybe purple eyes. Here, let me put her like this. Oh, boy, that glare. It's a very bright, sunny day today. And I don't have drapes or curtains on the walls. I have blinds really nice blinds. See, that's why it's all like that. So I get a lot of glare in this room sometimes. In fact, I can only wear these glasses because my other ones, see the glare? I got anti-glare on here, but I've got some other glasses that don't have the anti-glare and they're bad. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. Thank you so much for all your support. If you have not subscribed yet, I'd appreciate a subscribe, a thumbs up, comment down there, and we'll see you next week for another Doll of the Week. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.